Yo guys, welcome back to the gang. In today's video, I'm going to show you what to do if your neck head tie is too big for your head. Big shout out to UK. I don't know how you say it, but yeah, I got you, bro. You're the reason why I'm making this video, so big shout out to you. Let's get it.
Wow, nice, dude. Zip it, Stanley.
So yeah, here we go. As the Nike head tie. And basically, the first method you should use that I've showed in my previous video, if your Nike head tie is too big, is goddamn fold it. Let me show you just here it is. Just fold it like that. See that? Easy, simple, baby. You feel me? And that's it, and then you adjust it just like that. And the thing is with these Nike head ties, you know what I'm saying, like bro, even if you fold it, it's easy to adjust. You get what I'm saying? It's easy, like you won't even feel no pressure. You get what I'm saying? Like literally, you feel me? Another way to do it, which is a more creative way of doing it, I guess, because UK said I don't want to fold it. Why are you making my life hard? I got love for you though. So if you don't want to fold it, little homie, I'm not American from. If you want to fold it, my guy. If you don't want to fold it, I mean, you're gonna do that. But instead of starting with the beginning of your hairline, you're gonna start literally here. On your hair. You feel me? Now that it's on your hair, boom, easy. You feel me? Easy peasy, fam. Do you get what I'm saying? So basically, it covers a part of your hair. You feel me? Right here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So basically, those are the two only ways that you can wear a Nike head tie when your forehead is too small. Oh, actually, there's another way. Listen to me carefully, yeah? Open your ears. Wait for a couple years, in like 5 years, and then try put it on again. It was your boy Lieutenant School. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share.